There is a company that has prepared for the fourth industrial revolution through the convergence of ICT, an enterprise that predicts and fuses the future of business, people, and technology. Miracom, a future-leading ICT service partner. Miracom was founded in 1998 as a company specializing in MES solutions and won 2 presidential awards. 92% of employees have specialized skill in each industry, and they carry out smart factory business that leads manufacturing innovation and intelligence, and smart ICT service business that supports customer value creation and growth. Miracom Smart Factory is implemented step by step from information automation based on MES, production automation through equipment logistic automation, to manufacturing intelligence based on data analysis, and PLM and automation are interfaced with MES. The introduction of Miracom Smart Factory improves yield and stabilizes quality by realizing an optimized operating system at the manufacturing site, which leads to increased productivity, thereby enhancing company competitiveness. It also maximizes the company profits by reducing costs for such as inventory or raw sub-materials, which are chronic problems of manufacturing companies. Miracom offers a customized smart factory that is most optimized for the customer's production site, not just providing generic solutions. What Miracom never gave up is confidence in quality. Combined with project know-how across industries such as high-tech, automotive, food and beverage, and bio, Miracom's technology has already been proven and recognized both at home and abroad. Miracom with customer success, that's what Miracom thinks it's worth. The power of ICT to change industry, ICT service partner, Miracom.